Because he's sorting out his 6-shot. Don't know, I wonder if I can get him from here though. Oh, I can, yeah.
Yeah, I bet you can't hit him.
But I won't hit him, no, because it'll go boing.
Seeing him in the scope and hitting him ain't the same thing.
No.
Have you killed anyone? No.
Can't even.
It's a virgin still, Matt. It's not killed anyone. It's got close, but maybe it's not killed anybody.
Maybe next game I take this.
I got close to one.
I can deal with it.
If you want to, it's up to you.
We'll go pump house.
Yeah, pump house.
See if I can get range.
We're trying to find you.
That way.
We were down by the house.
We were up there and we were pinned, mate.
Yeah. Yeah, we're going to go down pump house. I'm going to see if I can get on top.
I just took the alternative route.
I said to him, go wide and then we'll go down this side. And he just went across over all the rocks and the still wide. Oh, hit!
You died already? What are you doing?
Team, probably?
Oh.
They decided to shoot.
Language.
I don't know if anybody's got anyone near grassland yet. Pump house, they need good snipers like that.
Are we pushing pump house?
See this guy just crouched in the divot there? That's the closest we're at. That's the closest we're at.
Did anyone lose the speed loads down here?
We're pushing pump house. Yeah, close quarters.
Did you want a little more firepower?
We need to defend the flag on pump house. We've got it. We need to defend it.
It's 12 behind the smoke, and there's one behind that log pile.
Alright.
Yeah, mate. Come on. Well, we won't pick.
Come on with me, come on.
Oh my.
Here we go, rush!
Come on, get over there.
They would have shot themselves at the very least. Behind the pump house, they must have the flag. Jesus!
Left.
Going up, pump house on top. Back in. On top. One on top. One now beyond pump house. You want to make a mad dash? Yeah. Just sit back here. Marshall, have we lost the flag? He's been left up. Oh dear. We've lost pump house. See that? Yeah. Anyone got comms and get that over comms that we've lost pump house.
Hit. How do I unclip? Alright, still good.
I'm about to change my mode. You're going to have some big.
Yeah. Do you know what's going on here?
Oh, it's that. It's the.
You get hit?
They're just there.
They just hit, are they? Where are they?
I can't see him for shit. Pump house. Yeah. Pump house, but I can't see shit, mate. I don't know where. Matt, I was thinking we need to throw the fucking smoke grenade and push.
Yeah.
I can hear it, but it's in front of us. I don't know where.
It's at the side of the pump house. Marshall just took one anyway.
Huh?
The Marshall just took one to the face anyway. Whereabouts are they? Ooh. Yeah, they're at the house.
Whereabouts the house?
Where the artillery is, directly behind it.
We want to get to that building, don't we? We got anyone in that building?
I don't know if they're in it, if there is. You got pistol?
Me?
Yeah. Oh no, not you. Where's the others gone? Ben! Push up this way. Push up here. Push.
Down at pump up, got a, are we pushing? Combat out of
Yeah. Push up to this one.
Matt, where are they?
They're behind the artillery. If we can push up towards the artillery, we're covered this side from the artillery.
I've got a smoke. I can smoke them. We can push. But we need to. Everyone needs to push. Fast artillery.
Oh, they've been shot. We got one guy left.
Got one guy where?
Left, directly 9 o'clock.
Matt, is there anyone at the caravan?
I can't see. I don't think there is. We can advance to the caravan, we might have a better shot. Yeah, it's one of our guys inside. Okay. Push up.
Coming across.
You know where that building is? Yeah. There on the bottom of that. I'm not a bit straight that way.
Yeah, throw it in.
Yeah. You ready?
I'll go first.
Yep. Oh no, it's top and thing.
Yeah, towards pump house.